Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Family Link on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Safari browser on your phone and search for Google Family Link. Now, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the official website from here and tap on the Sign In button. Once done, you'll be prompted to sign into your account. After signing in, this type of interface will be displayed. Next, tap on the hamburger menu at top left corner and then select the Add a Child feature from the panel. Now, you can just tap on Yes and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once completed, your child's device will start appearing in the left side menu and you'll be able to manage it. So that's basically how you can set up Google Family Link on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.